forged in shadow, shaped by contempt, but indomitable in the face of adversity. I am not the lion's roar nor the wolf's howl. I am the laughter that resonates in the night, defying destiny. Where others see thorns, I see paths. Where others see barriers, I find my ascent. The mountain does not yield, the forest does not remove its shadows, but not even the whole world can stop those who do not fear their own destiny. It is not love or hate that defines me, it is the will to continue, even when the world turns its back on me. Every stride on the rock, every wound on the skin, is a verse written in the epic of my existence. I do not need glory, nor crowns, nor praise, only the wind on my face and the path beneath my feet. I am the daughter of the sun and the shadow, of dust and thunder. I run not to escape, but to remember that I still live.